Hey, how you doing? Leo here from Arona Marketing. Spoke with Vicky today on the phone. Got the email from her and told her I wanted to get this video sent out. It's got a couple of tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I didn't see a Google Business Profile, so if that's something that you needed help with, I could definitely help you with that too. I'd appreciate to hear any feedback from you about this video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational. So as you see, here is your website, Quality Roofing Restoration and Construction. I love the logo here. I love how you have access to the email up top and the phone number, because having these two options, some people don't mind to call and speak on the phone, and some people don't like to call and speak on the phone. So they have both options right here. So that's a great way to use the top of this page along with your free estimates as well. Now looking through, and you got a form submit here, it's really good. So looking through here on this website, not a bad website, not a bad layout. But if I was to give a suggestion, my biggest suggestion would be to add more content. Google loves content. 24/7, Google sends out bots to crawl these sites to identify what these websites are about. So you want to have about a minimum of 1,500 words of command content on this home page, and throughout that content you want to add buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent keyword is the service and the location that that service is done. Another good thing to do is save photos and images as buyer intent keywords as well, because they count as content. So this could be roofing, Clarksville, Tennessee roofing, something to that nature, showing that that is the service that you provide and the city that you provide that service in. So definitely make sure that we're getting taking advantage of that. Now, what I've done here is actually I've taken your website and put it into my Google analytical tool called RRC, and it's given me the analytics of your website and where you're setting. So right here you see your UR and your DR. This is the strength that your website has with Google and the trust that it has with Google. Now these numbers go up to 100, so you want to keep these balanced and continuously moving up. Now here are your backlinks. You have 384 backlinks with 76 referring domains. Now a backlink is a domain linking to another domain via clickable button or text. Now when it comes to backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. Some can be more spammy and some can be more authoritative. So you definitely want to attack the backlinks as more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, one thing I really wanted to highlight for you are these keywords. Again, it is a service and the location of a service. You want to make sure that it is commercial roofing, Nashville, Tennessee. That's a good buyer intent keyword, but it's a kind of high difficulty for not a lot of search volume. But that is a keyword. Commercial roofing, Nashville, Tennessee, commercial roofing, Nashville, commercial roofing, Clarksville, Tennessee roofing, things like that are also good keywords. Metal roofing Nashville is a good one. That's 200 searches a month, and that's only a 4 KD, so that would be ranking after a couple months. And once you get to ranking organically, you are good to go. Now, the way I found you was typed in roofers, Clarksville, Tennessee. Okay, and up here at the top is your Google guarantee, and that's a great way to get business quickly. But once you stop paying, then you automatically are taken from this front page. So that's the importance of ranking organically. Now down here is the local ads, and the top 3 is where you really want to be here. Now you're not in these top 3 right now, and that's okay. There's several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews, but I didn't see a Google business profile for you. So unless I just completely overlooked it, I could not find one. But that's something I could definitely help with if you needed any help. When you get that set up, again, you want to make sure you're adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that needs to be filled out. And don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Make sure that you're posted branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, because that's really going to help you rank organically. and then by adding citations. Now, citation is your business name, address, and phone number, and you want that to go into directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because funny as it is, Google is just a big popularity contest. So giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it's really going to help Google really start to trust you more, and it'll help boost your business, not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in the Google Map Pack, top 3 is a good thing, and it's going to give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes straight to your website, and from there, they're going to give you a call. Now, under the Map Packs is the organics, and that's where you really want to shine. Yelp, the BBB, Angie's, those are ads. So here is the very first organic roofing company. So what I've done is pull this up for you, because this is the guy you want to be. And as you can see, there is no content here either. They don't have much content. So implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding backlinks and such too. Now, I wanted to show you what I found here. There's massive volume here, and the keywords are very minimal, meaning that you could rank within just a couple months here, and the volume is insane. Roofers, Clarksville, Tennessee, 250. Roofing, Clarksville, Tennessee, another 250. 150. There's almost 700 right here just in these first few keywords. And what you can do is make sure that you're getting these placed in your content correctly, and then you'll start showing up for the searches for these. So as you see, there's definitely a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and then depending on your closing rate, you're going to turn those guys into customers. So I definitely hope that this video was helpful to you, and I'd love to hear some feedback from you. Again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me, because I can definitely be that resource for you. Have a great day.